Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I have got a treat today. This is the May Moving Parts Folio. It's 8 by 8 size. I'm going to take you for a tour. It is super duper fun. The paper collection is the May Moving Parts collection. It is also in the shop titled Petals and Possibilities because, well, you shall see. Look at this cover. How gorgeous. We have access right here for the photo. We flip it around and take a look at this glorious paper collection. The colors, the prints, it is just spectacular. You need to add this one to your collection. It is a must-have. We made some pockets in a pocket with lots of the layered and collaged embellishments in the collection. Are you ready for this? I feel like I need a song for the introduction to this album. Look at this, how gorgeous. We have got room for a photo here. Look at, first of all, look at all of the acetate glare, which you guys know we love, absolutely love. You open like so. We've got this little pop-up effect here because of that fabulous, I forget what the card is called. You know, when you extend the card and it does that. So I did it up to create this scene. And let me tell you, it delivered. It most certainly delivered. It is gorgeous. Every single piece that you see here is included in the Petals and Possibilities collection, the May Moving Parts. If you ordered the May Moving Parts, the whole year shebang, then you have this collection already in your project folder. It is stunning. We've got a little paper, a little pocket right here for a photo mat. This is a full functioning pocket for 4x6s. See that right there? I just added some goodies in the front for 4x6s. And I just tucked this flower in here. I did not glue it down because I love things just kind of hanging out there. And look at that. You know what? I can glue it down. So I'm going to apply the glue to the front like so, just a little bit, not too much oozing. So I don't want it to seal any of my pocket. And then I'm going to tuck it in. That way it will stay and I still have access to the full pocket. All right, so there we go. Now it will not come out with when I pull these items out. So that is that. Then when you open this, we have another pocket here for your 4x6s or your pocket in a pocket, right? Either way works beautifully. The May collection, right? So you get your May calendar. So pocket in a pocket, how fun is that? This will add bulk, so you got to choose where you want to put this. You cannot put this everywhere, okay? You cannot. How fun is the spine here? Look at that fun little trio of, oh no, there's four things here, right? Oh no, there's three things. The fourth thing is this right here. So how fun is that? It extends the blue here, the blue carrying on over here on this side. Gardening is my love language. It certainly is my love language, although I have several love languages. We have a fun, simple but fun little waterfall here on this side. Look at that paper. That is magnetized. We open that up and we have more photo opportunities. That closes up. We have this little flip for a photo and boom, we've got a little 3D effect here, or excuse me, pop-up effect here. This also has that little, this comes out, right? I glued this in. This is stationary. So you pop this open, you have more room for the 4x6s and here for a 5x7. Oops, sorry. Here for a 5x7 and some tuck space for some goodies. All right, so look at this paper, guys. Look at this paper. How gorgeous. I just love everything about this paper collection. The embellishments, the colors, how everything just works so beautifully together. It's just sheer perfection. It opens up one more time. like so, for room large photos, guys. You've got room for large photos. So a cropped version of an 8 by 10 here, of course, not the full 8 by 10 because this is an 8 by 8 folio. But if you go with the 11 by 11 size, you can absolutely get an full 8 by 10 in the larger folio. There's a cutting guide in the project folder for the 11 by 11 version. So we've got this open concept here, so you can put 4 by 6s, right? These are all magnetized. And instead of doing just the simple policy style closure, I decided to magnetize some larger photo mats for a large photo, or you can do it up like this and use up more of that pattern paper for your 4 by 6s. Look at that, how pretty. Be like a butterfly and transform. How perfect is that? So that gets tucked right in there. And this one right in here, I did nothing on the back here, but there's plenty of pocket cards to do it up on the back as well in the collection. Now, because these have such a low profile on that spine, you are limited with what you can, we can't do this on both sides. So I just did this up on one side, and the other side, I kept it very simple with the spot for two large photos, or you can do a collage of a 4 by 6, 4 by 3, and then a few 2 by 2s if you want, or whatever you want to do here. Or you can use some of the fabulous collaged embellishments in the collection and create little side pockets and tuck a 4 by 6 in there. And I go over that with you guys in the project folder, so you'll see all the detail there, highlighting your multiple options. This is great, guys. I know that I'm saying it, but I want to hear from you. What do you think about the main folio? I hope you love it. I was a little late on matting this one, guys, so thank you for bearing with me. The National Scrapbook Day project put me completely behind, as always. But you know, I'm always full of stories and reasons why I'm late. But I had a very good one. I always have a good one. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that, how gorgeous. I just can't take the detail in this project. And listen, it's all about the paper. I cannot produce beautiful projects like this without gorgeous paper. So this is a gorgeous collection. Petals and Possibilities, the Main Moving Parts collection, paperphenomenon.com, in the shop right now, 50% off. The Main Moving Parts folio also in the shop right now, 50% off. If you love it, pick it up. And thank you so much. Until next time.